Hello students, in this video we will study about refraction of light. First question is what is refraction? Students, as we know light travels in a straight line. In homogeneous medium, if air is homogeneous then it will travel in a straight line. Inside the water it will also travel in a straight line. If water is homogeneous and inside the glass also, if glass is homogeneous. But when light changes from one medium to another medium, the path of light changes. When light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, the path of light will change. Here you can see, students, this is medium 1. It's traveling in the air. Suppose this is medium 1 and this is air, and this is medium 2 glass. I'm taking this is glass medium 2. When light will travel in air, it will travel in a straight line. But when it will change the path of when it will change the medium, the path of light will change. Path of light will change. This phenomena is known as refraction of light. When light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, at the interface of two medium, path of light changes. This phenomena is known as refraction of light. Refraction of light. And the path along which light travels is incident ray. We can say this is incident ray, incident ray, incident ray. And the path along which light ray travels in second medium is called refracted ray. Refracted ray. Refracted ray. Here, after refraction, it will also travel inside the glass. It will travel a straight line if a glass is homogeneous, or it can be water also. It can be different medium, different medium. If it will enter from glass to water or water to air, then it will also change the path. Light will change the path at the interface of two medium, not inside the medium. It will change at the interface of two medium. Now, this is angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence. Angle between normal, this line is normal at the interface at the point of incidence. This is called point of incidence. This point is known as point of incidence. Point of incidence. Incidence. Point of incidence. Angle between incident ray and the normal at the interface at the point of incidence is known as angle of incidence. Simply, angle between incident ray and the normal is equals to angle of incidence. Similarly, angle between normal and, here you can write normal, here you can write normal. Angle between normal and refracted ray is known as angle of refraction or refracted angle. You can write angle of refraction R or refracted angle. Refracted angle. You can write refracted angle. Refracted angle. This is also denoted by I or R. We will find relation in law of reflection between incident angle and refracted angle. But we have observed some phenomena related to refraction when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium. When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, light will bend toward the normal. Here you can see, suppose air is rarer medium, students, rarer medium, air is rarer medium, and glass is denser medium, students. Glass is denser medium. It has observed that when light travels from air to glass, it bends towards normal. And when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, It bends away from normal. Suppose this is glass, students. This is glass and this is air. This is glass. A ray is coming in this direction inside the glass. Inside the glass, it will travel in a straight line. But when I will draw a normal air, it will bend away from normal. It will not travel along the path of incident ray. It will bend away from normal. This is a denser medium. This is denser medium and this is rarer medium. Rarer medium. Denser medium, I will tell you, it's optically denser and optically rarer. It's not related to density. It's related to speed. I will explain it later. I will explain what is meaning of denser or rarer. But here you have to understand just that the air is rarer medium and glass is denser medium. Glass is denser medium and water is also denser with respect to air. Relative to air is rarer medium and water is denser medium. When light will travel from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bends away from normal. It will bends away from normal air. This is angle of refraction. This is angle of incidence. Here this is angle of incidence. This is angle of refraction. Here angle I. This whole angle is I. This whole angle is cross angle. This angle is I. Then angle I is greater than angle R. Angle R here. In this case, angle R is greater than angle I. Second case, when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. When light will fall perpendicular to interface of the two medium, when light will fall perpendicular to interface of two medium, then it will travel without deviated, undeviated. We can say undeviated. When light will fall perpendicular to interface of medium, it will travel in medium 2 without deviation or undeviated. Here angle of incidence is 0. If I will draw here normal, then angle of incidence will be 0. This is at the interface. This is angle, and we know that the angle of incidence and angle of incidence is angle between incident ray and the normal. Here angle of incidence and normal is 0. Then angle of incidence is 0. Then angle of refraction is 0 here also, students, because normal angle between refracted ray and the normal is 0. Okay, students.